Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon.
In this video, we will show you how to check for plagiarism online. First of all, go to customwritings.com/check-paper-for-plagiarism.html. Once the web page loads, you will see that it is a free online plagiarism checker. Click on the language drop-down and you can choose between English and Spanish. Once you have chosen the language, copy the text that you want to check for plagiarism. For the purpose of this tutorial, we have copied data from a web page and saved it as a Word document. We will copy the text from this document and paste it on the website for analysis. Once you have copied and pasted the text that you want to check for plagiarism, click on the Check This Text button. The online plagiarism checker will get to work right away, and its status will change to Submitted. You will be warned not to close the window until you get the results. After a few minutes, you will be displayed with the results. The text we ran for plagiarism came 100% positive, as we copied it from the internet only. On the right-hand side of the results page, you can see the sources from which the text was copied. In this manner, you can check the plagiarism level and the sources by using this website.
Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel.